Respectable viewers, in this video there are 10 questions and every question contains 4 alternatives. We have to choose the right one within 10 seconds. Then let us start. Which of the following will fill up the gap of the sentence? The bridge is dash the river. A on, B above, C over, D upon. Time starts. Time ends. Answer C. Which of the following is a determiner? Ascent, before, C is, D from. Time starts. Answer time ends. Answer C. Before which of the following that can be used? A. Binita, B. Iron, C. Diamond, D. Moon. Time starts. Time ends. Answer D. Which of the following is not a plural number? A. Photos, B. Bamboos, C. Cats, D. News. Time starts. Time ends. Answer D. Which word of the following sentence is an adverb? The horse runs fast when it races. A. Runs, B. Fast, C. When, D. Races. Time starts. Time ends. Answer B. Fast. Which of the following is always used as plural number and as singular number? A. Parents, B. Informations, C. Sheep, D. Houses. Time starts. Time ends. Answer C. Sheep. Which of the alternatives will fill up the gap of the following sentence? He dash here now and then. A. Is coming, B. Has come, C. Is come, D. Comes. Time starts. Time ends. Answer D. Which of the following is the opposite word of rigid? A. Firm, B. Adamant, C. Flexible, D. Savory. Time starts. Answer C. Flexible. Which of the following is a correct sentence? A. My parents are helping me. B. Iron is an useful metal. C. The Nile is the deepest river in Egypt. D. He has come yesterday. Time starts. Time over. Answer C. Dear viewers, if you like this quiz program, then my request is to you to like and share the video and to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.